Welcome to RaiGoku.com. In this video, we'll discuss about HTML layout. So feel free to stay here from start to end of this video so that it will be useful for you to understand in detail. Otherwise, you'll miss a very important topic. And if you want to learn HTML from beginners to the expert level, follow my HTML playlist. Now, whenever we are building HTML layout, first let's understand what is HTML layout. Whenever we are navigating into any website, normally this will contain maximum sections like upper, left, right, bottom sections. So building the layout is generally helping us to make our website attractive and more organized. So we'll show you here practically how we can do that. So in this video, we'll again create external CSS file which will make your site more fruitful. So here we have just used syntax, normal syntax for HTML, and within that we'll add meta tag. And within a meta tag, I'll specify character seed and name. So in meta, I will write here character set equal to UTF-8 in double quotes, and next option I want to add here viewport. So these two meta values will help us to recognize the different actions on CSV file. Now these two meta tag is added successfully. After that, I want to specify content. So here I will add content equal to width in double quotes, and after that we'll use same device width like this. Close the double quotes, so initial scale O, and after that we'll add here title. So within the title we'll specify some title like responsive layout. Close the title. This will majorly show your title name. So this will be a just text. Now after that we'll specify the link of CSV file. So here we are going to use declarations. It will help us to identify the file style. So normally the CSS file we are using as a style sheet. Double quote, and then we are giving a reference. So here we'll give a reference equal to layout.css in double quote. So this is a file name because we are using or we are saving the CSS file in the same locations. That's the reason we not defined the path. Otherwise, we have to also define the path for this. Now, in body sections, first I want to add header. So here I will add header. So within the header, I wanted to specify h1 tag. So h1, and within h1 tag, I wanted to give the website title. So here website title, and then again close h1. Next, I want to close header as well. Closing, we are just adding forward slash, and rest tag will be same. Next, in this sections, I want to add navigation tag and AB, and within that we'll add unlist, unordered list. So within the navigations, I will add unordered list UL, and within that I will again add list. Here we'll also add href and then specify hash, and this hash we will create it within CSS file. We'll give this as a home. Close this, we'll provide this as a home, and again we'll close the e tag and then list tag. Close of list. Exactly similar way, we will also create it for other sections as well. So let me copy and paste it and just modify few of the name. Let me add it 5 sections: about, contact us, feature, and one more like handle page. This is done. After that, we'll close navigation as well, or unordered and then navigation. So here I'm closing unordered list and then navigation tag. These two are done. Next, I wanted to specify main. So this main section is having the sections which contains to our website detail. So here we'll add sections as a tag, and within the sections I will specify h2, that is smaller than h1, and here we will give some text. So welcome to Raigurkul is the text, and then I will close h2. Next option I want to add as some paragraph. So this is a paragraph. I will specify some of the text. I'm randomly adding some text here and close paragraph. Next options I wanted to specify as close section and then close main. After that, we'll again add new sections. So before closing this, we'll add one more sections here for having some web content. Our services says section close. Within our sections, we'll add here UL, unordered list, and within unordered list, I will add list. So li will specify some of the services, services 1, and then close it. You can add as many as services here. So we'll copy and paste some of them. We'll add here 2, 3, 4, and 5 so that we can showcase some differences. 4 and 5. This is done. After that, we'll specify the close of sections and then we'll close the main. So here we'll add close section and then we'll close main. And even we have forgot to close UL as well. So here we'll add close of UL. Now we can also create some footer sections. For creating footer sections, we are having normally many fields, but for sample basis, I'm just adding few of the item. So footer is the tag, and then we'll add paragraph. Within the paragraph, we'll add ampersand copy. So it means it will showcase the copyright actions. Your ampersand copy, and within semicolon 2023 by Raigurkul. Next, we'll close the paragraph and then footer sections. Here is done, closing of footer. This is done, and after that, we'll close the other items. It means body and HTML. So this is done as a part of layout. So here I will add layout dot to dot HTML. This is saved. Now, if we want, I will run this code and show you how this will looks like. Now this is looks like this. Now, if I wanted to streamline this process, definitely I have to use CSS. So for building CSS, we will use one more sections here or one more page, and here we'll specify the style sheets. So normally for specifying different attributes, we are using body. Let me add multiple attributes at once so that we can cover maximum. S2, comma paragraph, and then comma UL, comma list. And here within the curly braces, we are adding the different attributes so that we can streamline and showcase more attractive. So margin I'm giving here as 0 semicolon and next padding. So here padding equal to, sorry, not equal to, we are using this, and then comma. This is done for body. And when we want to showcase the style of the header, so normally adding the style of header, again we are using header tag, and here we'll add curly braces. Within the curly braces we are adding different style like the background color. So here we'll add background color, and then colon we will specify the background color, semicolon. Next is text color. So here for text color we are using again hash f f semicolon. Now text alignment, center semicolon, and then padding. So here padding 20 pixel semicolon. That's it. Let me see this as the name of layout. See this. We have this bed. Now exactly similar way we can also add other items like navigation UL list, navigation all. And whenever I will run this code, we'll have exactly this type of look and feel. Now let me show you the difference. If I'm not adding this link, let me cut it and save this and refresh my page. This is how it looks. So without CSS file, if I'm adding the CSS and then again saving it, you can see difference. This is how we can make our website attractive while adding CSS. So exactly similar way, when we are writing for CSS layout as a file, we have to define each and every attributes details so that we can make our site layout much attractive, which contains multiple sections, menu options, paragraphs, as well as left and right sections. So this is how we can build HTML layout in detail. Hope you understand it. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle, and feel free to click like button as well as bell icon for more for the upcoming technology video. Thank you for watching.